list that I'm going to have to do for my next part of my house. So we're just going to do it, get it over with.
Where are you? Yo! Did you see that? Did you see that?
I like Fortnite!
Leo, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Why were you standing still for half a second?
What? This fucking guy, bro.
Are you here?
It does damage too. One thing, kids. Last one back right. Right. So he doesn't live that right. For nothing. It's fucking awesome.
Do you need an invite? Let me send you an invite.
I sent Leo an invite already.
Yeah, well, I sent two.
I'm in.
Oh, maybe I said another one, then no one can do it.
Yeah, look, I sent another one.
I'm in, bro.
Maybe we should just keep sending them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Benji, take me over to the armor. To the right, Benji. Over there. There's armor there. I need it. It's a requirement. You cocksucker.
Also, we can't
You wanna
just
pick
pull back
up?
on those guys.
No, I'm running just all that. Hold
But you
Oh,
got
really?
ammo?
I'm really gonna do that?
They had a jump fatigue back, bro.
Yeah.
Benji!
Never removed it.
You think
Okay, here you go. Oh, shit.
Dickhead.
Still stalks me, bro. I'm done, bro.
Benji, I think it's time just to kill yourself.
Oh yeah, Brendan is my Pookie Bear.
Can you?
I'm gonna go in you.
Oh!
Oh!
Why are you edging me like this?
Don't ever say that again.
Is your dog sitting weird again, bro?
No, she's laying on my bed fucking licking it for some reason.
I'll lick your
Weird.
bed, Brendan.
I'm so good at this game, I might just go goon. Okay, then that's
Your
fair.
ammo pack.
Oh my fucking god, that is the biggest thing I've ever fucking seen. It's bigger than a normal one. Oh my fucking god, holy. Oh my god, my days.
it can't be that
There's
bad.
a titan.
Oh my god, damn. Holy my god.
How is this a